You will now be directed to your home page. You may search your desired product from the available search box. You can also search your product from Shop by category. Click on Shop by category and select your required product. Let's select air conditioner as an example. The list of all products with the matching title will be listed in the search page. Various filters are available on the left hand side of the screen. Under Administrative Filter, you can see Intent of Buying and select Consignee option. Choose Intent of Buying option if objective is to go for with or RA. On choosing the option, you will be able to browse through all products in the market without any restriction. Moreover, you can edit or add quantities and consignees while creating with. Hence, you can start with single consignee and single quantity. Please note, in case buyer selects bid or RA as intent of buying, then they will be asked to select a value for all golden parameters in the category. PAC option if you want to buy a specific OEM product. Click on Select Consignee. This will give you a pop-up to enter the quantity required for this item. You can also select different consignees for the same order from the state and delivery location drop-down. Click on Search. System will show available sellers who are delivering the required quantity of the product to the consignee's location. You may apply various filters such as Year of Experience with Government. This filter will enable you to see the sellers having required number of years as experience. To make procurement from MSE seller, you can click on MSE filter. System will show all the registered MSE sellers. To make procurement from startup sellers, you can click on Startup filter. System will show all the registered startups in the market. To reduce the delivery period and improve the order processing, product can be searched by seller's location. Location can be searched by pin code, district and statewide. Product can now be chosen from highly rated sellers using seller rating filter. Buyer may also apply financial filter to search sellers by annual turnover. Make and model filter is available for PAC buying. Product specification filter allows you to search the product as per the required specification. There are two types of parameters listed under product specification filter, that is golden parameters and others. List with yellow color border on the left side are defined as golden parameters. Golden parameter refers to the general specification available for products which impact their pricing. If you choose a value for a golden parameter, only product with same value or above will appear on the search list. After applying all desired filters, we can see our filter market as shown in the screen. Since our purchase is more than rupees 25,000, the product must be compared with items from other sellers before adding to the cart. You must compare 3 OEMs, original equipment manufacturer. As soon as you select 3 OEMs and sellers, you can see the Start Comparison tab. Click on Start Comparison tab. Comparison screen will list the specification of the comparable items in the same screen, with the L1 item being displayed at the first. Please note that for L1 purchase, if you choose a product value up to rupees 5 lakhs, you can go for direct purchase. As we are going for L1 purchase, select the first product in the list. Click on Add to Cart. Now your product is successfully added to the shopping cart, which will remain in the cart for 10 days. You can also download and print the comparison sheet for future reference. By clicking on Price Trends icon, buyer will be able to view the last 6-month price of that product. Compare icon provides you the option of price scrolling through other e-commerce websites. Click on Proceed to Checkout. Then click on Confirm. You can now review your shopping cart again. You can see Direct Purchase option as we have carted L1 product. Click on Direct Purchase. You can view your order summary and review the order and click on Continue to generate the demand. Under Financial Details, select your payment authority. Enter the designation of the officials. Select your financial approval file and upload the same. Click on Continue. Review the terms and conditions and click on Accept and Save. Now you can see in the screen that your financial details, sanction order and contract order has been generated. Click on Verify. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP. Click on Verify OTP. You will be able to view on screen that your contract has been generated successfully. Watch next related video.